sa isip mo, may signal pa ba? Ako sa puso mo. Hello, my love, kumusta ka?
I make it so easy to fall in love. So come give me a call and we'll fall into love.
Gago!
Luma na yung gimmick na yan, paris na yan. Hindi niyo ko pwede lukuhin ng ganyan-ganyan lang.
Kaya mag-isa lahat kalaban. Pistol, sino babalaan?
Gago! And Tommy Palin the Eton Armies supporters EVP Sarah.
Kahit mga Yuhan nakikita kanina pamamahala ni VP Sarah #detergent 2028. Shut the freak up, you piece of shit. Shut the freak up. I can't read, that's why everyone is a troll in my eyes. I don't know how to detect sarcasm in the internet and believe everything I say without fact-checking. I see myself as smarter than others, even though I share the same low IQ genes as my fellow Indians. I have zero reading comprehension, which is why there's no satire in the Philippines. This is why bubblegum shows are so vast. This is why they cancel Contrabanda. Indians like me keep on falling for it. I'm a Filipino, I always fall for rage bait. It's in my blood.
Gago!
Paano na kaya? Di sinasadya, di kayang matapat ang puso ko. Bakit sa dinami-rami ng kaibigan ko? Ikaw pa, paano na kaya? Di sinasadya, ba't nahihiya ang puso ko? Hirap ng umibig sa isang kaibigan, di masabi ang nararamdaman. Paano na kaya?
Tangina mo, Jeffoy Dizon, ang pangit na pagmumukha mo. Nakita mo na ba mukha mo sa salamin? Tangina mo, ha? Ang pangit mo, ha? Tangina mo, at ano yung sinasabi mo? Pulubi at tagahugas ako ng pinggan. At tangina mo, tignan mo nga bahay ko diretsan. Eh at ikaw naman ano ha? Tangina mo, quarter ha? Yak-yak-yakang kang may laptop. Kakita mo to, hampas ko to, sa pagmumukha mo, eh no. Tangina mo, ha-ha, ano, nalapag ka pa. Tangina mo, mag-extend ka na dyan. Kain ka na eh.
Yeah, baby. I want you to be mine again, baby. I know my lifestyle is driving you crazy. I cannot see myself without you. We call them friends, don't you know how we do? I go out of my way to please you. I go out of my
Is this from your mom or your dad, man? Fuck! Is this from mom or dad? Hey, who's this? Who your mom? Who your dad? Back up! Back up! Who is this? And who's your dad? Hey, you look like you need some help. You need some help. What the hell is going on? I can't believe you ain't whoop your ass. I can't believe you ain't whoop your ass. What speed is this? I don't know, man.
Gago!
I put the new 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out. streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now a nigga can't answer calls cause I'm balling. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. All this designer on my body got me drip drip.
Okay, we are on our way to iClone 3D kasi gusto kong i-clone si Joanne.
Excited ako, guys.
iClone 3D. So guys, we picked up our mini clone.
Yes.
Tada! See? Kuhang-kuha yung details. So kung maliit yung boobs mo sa pag-scan, maliit din yung boobs sa miniature. Ang cute!
Brett, ayaw ba?
Huh?
Ayaw lagi!
Okay, ako nag-stop.
Gago!
He needs some milk!
Sarap ko ba talaga? Sarap ko ba talaga? Para ayoko na kumain.
Gago!
Shoutout sa mga kabataan dyan. Manong ulam?
Tinolang palong ng manok, sinigang sayaki, boneless karkare, yung buttered shrimp natin.
Gago!
Lustay ako! Ako! Si Super Ibisayan! Idol ng mga tanga! Tagapagtanggol ng nakaw ng tatay ko! Potang ina ninyong lahat! Utang na mo! Hayop ka! Bullshit ka! Shit! So! Adik!
Grab somebody sexy, tell them hey, give me everything tonight. Give me everything tonight.
What?
Ginagawa mo! Talo! Sorry. Utang na mo! Hayop ka! Bullshit ka! Shit! So! Adik! Utang na mo! Hayop ka! Bullshit ka! Shit! So! Adik!
Gago!
Utang na mo! Hayop ka! Bullshit ka! Shit! So! Adik!
Kayong mga Pilipino nakikinig ngayon, boundary lang, tubig lang naman, hayaan mo yan. Insist on Philippines, West Philippines Sea. Karami ng dagat natin, di ibigay na lang. Sige, iyon na yan.
Ilalim ng tubig o resources. Actually, what I'm saying is bakit tayo makapagpatayan dyan sa tubig lang. I talked to my friend, Xi Jinping, the leader of China.
非常高兴及 西乡中国国家主席习近平中国驻菲律宾